Hi there, this is Gregory once again, and I introduce myself as a relationship coach and speaker. So it's a great joy to be with you even today to share a few thoughts of mine. I was just thinking about the importance of systems in our lives. If you notice, even in nature and everything works according to a pattern or according to a system. You know, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. That's a system that cannot change. You get up in the morning, it is day. You sleep in the night, it's night. You know, everything works according to a system. When you get up in the morning, you will brush your teeth. You know, you'll have your bath, you'll have your breakfast. You'll dress up and you'll go to work. If you notice also, even in your home, everything is placed according to a system. The kitchen, you will keep things according to a system. You know, you'll go and have bath in the bathroom. Obviously, you won't have a bath in the kitchen. That's a system. That's a pattern of living. You will go have a bath in the bathroom. You'll go to the toilet in the toilet. And, you will keep your clothes in the closet. You will sleep on a bed or a mattress or something on the floor. Even if you see even in offices, there are systems in the offices, right? Files are kept in the filing cabinet. And, even when you're driving your vehicle, there are systems in which you drive. You have the first gear, second gear, third gear. When the signal is red, you stop. When the signal is green, you move ahead. Everything, life works according to a system. You have seasons. You have the rainy season, you have the winter season, you have the summer season. And, if you look at nature, if you look at life, if you look at your family, even like, for example, a child is conceived in a mother's womb. The child remains and grows in the mother's womb for about 8 to 9 months. The parents cannot decide when they want to bring the child, when they want to deliver the child. Do they? They don't. The child in the mother's womb does not decide when it wants to come out or when it wants to stay. Everything works according to a particular system. Everything. Life works according to a pattern and according to a system. But there's one thing that we don't observe or don't take precautions or don't think carefully about when it comes to systems. And that is the mind. Do you recognize that your mind works according to a pattern of thinking and according to a system of thinking? And who decides that pattern of thinking? Who decides that system of thinking? It is you. You are the one who decides by default or by deliberation what is it that you want to think and how do you want to think. Notice sometimes in your life, do you find yourself always getting attracted to the same type of people again and again? Do you find yourself in similar situations repeatedly, and you respond and you react in the same way in most of those situations, and you end up getting the same results in those situations? Why is it so? It's because you have conformed yourself to a pattern of thinking which could have begun from your childhood, and you've grown up as you have grown up, you have chosen to think in a particular way. I want to ask you a simple question. What is the pattern of your thinking? When you are in a particular situation, when you face a particular situation in life, how do you think about that situation? How do you perceive yourself in that situation? Do you perceive yourself as a person who always gives up very easily without a fight? Are you a person who is not persuasive about wanting to do something in life and you give up very easily? Are you a person who always feels when you are facing a situation you feel defeated? You want to withdraw, want to give up. You think that way is because somewhere by default you have conformed yourself to a particular pattern and a system of thinking. And that particular pattern and system of thinking causes you to get the same results again and again. I would like you to think for a moment. Make a list of the friends that you have, and ask yourself, what is it that attracts you to your friends? Look at some of the situations that you are in. Look at some of the situations you constantly come across. Ask yourself, how do you respond in those situations? What is the pattern of your thinking when you are in a particular situation? Are you a person who gets depressed very quickly in the situation? Are you a person who does not feel energized to face those situations? Are you a person who is not persuaded enough in your life to face those situations and find different results? Are you a person who always thinks in the same way in all those situations and you seem to be getting the same results? It's all got to do with you being conformed to a particular pattern of the way you think. And you have decided unconsciously, you have decided to think in that way whenever you face those situations of the same kind. Unfortunately, you have conformed to a pattern of always getting attracted to the same type of people in your life without you even realizing it. So your mind thinks according to a pattern. And do you know something? I have realized this in the last 4 to 5 months in my life, is that I can choose to think the way I want to choose by the renewing of the mind. And the renewing of the mind is so powerful that it can transform your life. I want you to think about what I'm saying. What is the pattern of your thinking? Do you get attracted, or are you attracting the same type of people in your life? And you have the same responses in your life? Are you attracting the same circumstances and situations in your life? You respond in the same way and you get the same results. If that is you, it's time for you to renew your mind towards your transformation. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and have a good day.